Hi everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today is also a slow cooker meal. My mom thawed out this pork roast. It's a pork loin roast, and she cooked it low all day in the slow cooker, and it turned out really, really good and yummy, and it smelled great, and I was tortured in my crate because I had to smell it and I couldn't eat it, but it was really, really good. So hopefully you guys will watch this video, see how she does it, the changes she made to Home-Based Mom's recipe, and we'll put a link to her original recipe in the description box below. Hope you guys give it a try. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, as Yoda said, we are making a pork tenderloin roast. Isn't that right, Yoda? And it's gonna be in the slow cooker all day, 8 to 10 hours on low. Got it plugged in, yes, plugged in, all right. On low. And then you put onions on the bottom. I also put some on the top. And I used minced onion, and I remember that I had some other onion. I used the blend, of course, as the seasoning, and then it's an Italian seasoning, but I just used Italian dressing all around the side and also over it. And then I like a cup or so of chicken broth around the roast. This is about a 5-pound pork tenderloin roast, so we're gonna put it in there all day long, low and slow. See what happens. All right, guys, I've been at work all day, so I put this in about 8 a.m. I got home about 4 something, but now it's like 5. We actually lost power today because of a storm, but we have a generator. So this thing kept cooking all day, as you can see. Yay, dinner's still ready. Okay, so it only has to be 145. I've put this thing in several locations and it's well over 145, so we're good to go. But anyway, just letting you know, it's done. That was about, see, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's like 8 to 9 hours. Now that I'm opening the lid, it's 9 hours, but I'm sure it was done at 8. Anywho, and if you want to, you could take this juice here and add some cornstarch or something or some flour and make it into a gravy if you want, but it's done. Enjoy. Happy Monday.